Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add split screen effect to your videos on the CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a clip, and to easily add the split screen effect, you just need to go to the video effect. Nih. Then you can just find the split category, and here you'll easily find split screen. So just add it to your video, click on add to track. Then the effect will be applied to your clips just like this. This is the split scene. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!